Now, what I would like you to do is, right within the main method, display the name of the employee with the highest salary. So we have a placeholder employee, so I can just have a placeholder employee to which I can assign from the employee array the very first item, right? So employee. So this basically is my base. Then I will traverse through the array, but starting with 1, not 0, because I already have the 0 preserved. I is less than emps.length I plus plus. Okay. Now, if the salary of emp is less than the salary of emps, then let's swap. So emp will now point at the current instance. So for me, out of the 3 SAMs, right? They're all SAMs. So,
With highest salary
okay.
and then print
Employee
the
with highest salary amount. And yeah, I think that's something we can do. Okay, which is the last one.
Okay.
I just need to make sure that I format it correctly.
That's what I'm getting. I do the
So these are the 3 amounts I have, and out of which 176 is the highest. Okay. So this is what it does. It starts with the base, and it compares with that base the salary of every item that it pulls. And if there is any kind of, I mean, like if the current item salary is less than the item that you're looking at, then there's a swap on line 53. And then that's it. At the end of the process, the highest salary is where the amp will be pointing. I change this program to work with 5 employees. So I changed line number 40 to say 5. Do I have to change anything else in the rest of the program? If I make this 3 a 5.
no.
No. Make this 3 a 5. Okay. So that's what it is. You know, I mean, we've created a program that will work for any number of employee instances. That the idea is to figure out the highest of the many.